everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite kinds of videos. We're unboxing and reviewing a Loungefly purse, or I guess mini book bag that I got from the Harry Potter New York store. I don't think this is exclusive to the store, but I have yet to find it anywhere other than eBay, where it's currently being sold for way over the price that you pay in stores. So if you happen to see this particular Luna Lovegood bag anywhere else, let me know, drop it down below. I would love to hear and pin it so that other people who don't live in New York City have access to this handbag, or I keep calling it a handbag, this little mini book bag. So side note, I'm also wearing the Luna Lovegood spirit jersey from the Harry Potter New York store as well. That's one of my favorite characters from Harry Potter. So yes, let's just get started. I have the mini book bag as well as the matching wallet. So here it is in all its glory. I'm also going to include a photo of what the actual display looked like, because they were also selling a bunch of other Luna Lovegood products, such as a PJ set, a big fluffy plush robe, a spirit jersey like this one, and then a sweatshirt. So I want to include that here. They also sell Luna's pink classic sunglasses, or not sunglasses, glasses, whatever, I don't know. Very cute, very nice. So I'm including that there so you can get a full view of what it's gonna look like if you do go. I mean, things are subject to change, but you know what I mean. So here it is. It's gorgeous. It's Loungefly, so you know the price is a little bit up there. Let me just check the tag just to make sure, because last time I was wrong about it. This is $75. If you are a Harry Potter fan club gold member, you do get 20% off, I believe, maybe 10, but this is absolutely gorgeous. It's a fun, interesting material. It has like pink and white, and it's a funny material. Like it's really nice. It feels different than most Loungefly mini book bags, and I love the detailing with the glasses. The zipper is multicolored in the path that it takes, and I think it's absolutely adorable. The straps themselves are a nice, beautiful pink. They come tied up. I haven't undone it or worn it yet, just because I wanted to save it for the actual video, but it is gorgeous. This is like the traditional size that most mini Loungefly book bags are, and I definitely find myself fitting a good amount of products in my book bags. But of course, if you're someone who's used to a traditional larger size book bag, you do have to downsize a little bit, but I think it's cute. To keep its shape, the inside currently has some of that like packaging construction paper type of thing, so I'm just going to remove that real quick just to see the detailing inside the actual bag itself. Okay, so the inside of the bag is black with some neon detailing. You have some unicorns, some yellow circles, some stars. It is very cute. There is an inner pocket as well that can zip up. Trying to show you as best as I can what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's what the inside looks like. It's very beautiful. And now we can move on to the matching wallet. So I did buy this on a different day. There's a bunch of these just hang. I like to make sure that whichever one I'm picking up, sometimes these can get a little folded. It might just happen during transit, so definitely make sure you keep an eye on that so that you're picking one that is nicely shaped. So this is Luna with her glasses. Again, that same pink material that I don't know what to call, but it's so nice. It feels really good, and I think it's cute. So on the back it says Harry Potter Loungefly. Again, I looked at Loungefly's website and it's not there, but this might have been released a while ago, and that's why it's no longer available on Loungefly's official website. I'm not sure, so that's why I would appreciate the help if you guys know what I'm talking about. But yes, it does have a zipper compartment here. It's already opened. That's like that rainbow thing that I was talking about with it comes with the zipper. And then this is the tag itself. It says Harry Potter Loungefly. This is $45. And it says here, caution, entanglement hazard. Keep away from very small children. Do not place around neck. So yeah, it's really cute. And what I like is that it also has like this little strap, so you can hold it like a wristlet. Like, it doesn't have to be a wallet, which I definitely appreciate. Sometimes having a mini book bag like the one I just showed you and a big wallet like this takes up a lot of space in the book bag. So the fact that you can use this as a standalone product is amazing. It comes with everything you need. It has a lot of storage space, which we're gonna check out right now. So that zipper opens up to kind of like a coin compartment, which is nice. There's a paper in here. Oh, it's just a tag. It has the same print as the inside of the bag, which is handy. So you can keep your coins, any type of change. I rarely pay with cash anymore, but that is helpful. And then this side of it, again, features that same print, and it has a bunch of different card slots for all your essentials. And then the other side has a similar thing as well. It's buttoned. I shouldn't have put my fake nails on right now. And then you have a ton more slots right here, as well as the compartment to put actual bills if you're carrying cash. I think this is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I love that you could just wear it on your wrist, take it, it's enough, it's gorgeous, it's cute, but at the same time, it also matches the book bag if you want to kind of complete the set. I like the quality of this bag. I think this material is nice because I feel like you're less likely to see scratches or scuff marks. I mean, it's still gonna happen, or at least with my bag, sometimes it happens, but I feel like it's a little bit more forgiving, at least right now. We'll see how this bag holds up, especially because I'm not the most careful person in the world. I am quite messy and clumsy, so we'll see. But yeah, those are my overall thoughts on these bags. I absolutely love them. I love Luna Lovegood. She's my favorite character, or one of my favorite characters from Harry Potter. I've recently been rewatching and rereading the books. It was a little bit weird at first because I feel like J.K. Rowling's statements that came a couple years ago, a couple months ago, I feel like that kind of tainted the series for me. But going to Harry Potter store and seeing how many little kids and people are growing up with this and still love it, even if it's a next generation, I think is really nice and wholesome. So yeah, I'm rereading everything. Let me know what your favorite book or movie of the series is. I'll go first. I'll probably say it's The Prisoner of Azkaban, both the book and the movie. I really loved it. But I feel like Goblet of Fire is a close one, even though the movie is far different than the book. I think they're both just really good, really fun, really entertaining, and the start of it being so much darker than the rest of them in terms of like actual plot points. But yes, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.